We are starting to see the needle move for the change in how we do business or operate the airport.
With Willow, we built a financial model that showed us by implementing the twin where we could save real dollars, where we could have cost avoidance, where we would have energy savings and lower our environmental footprint, and also how we could save our airline partners money. I'm Chris Poinsett. I'm the Chief Financial Officer here at the airport.
Bill Grozdanich, Vice President of Controls and Analytics within the Infrastructure and Development Division.
DFW is a very large airport. When you fly in, you can look at the landmass and it's the size of the island of Manhattan. We're currently the third busiest airport in the world and will serve about 87 million passengers this year. It's very important to us to move from reactively operating to proactive operations. We were looking for implementing technology that will really allow us to do that.
Willow and the digital twin platform allow us to start capturing asset information, system information, and be able to correlate those. Would allow us to leverage technology and be more operational efficient. Operating and maintaining a project or a facility is 80% of the cost, and that's what we're diving into with the digital twin. Is if we can save 20 to 25% of that operation and maintenance costs, having a maintenance worker go out in the field using an iPad and a digital twin, knowing what equipment they need to fix that or what inventory is needed to go, and then now being able to use the co-pilot feature that we have in the twin is going to be amazing.
We can schedule that maintenance at night when it doesn't impact customers, and that saves a lot of money that way.
Willow is a way to establish a single source of truth for all your systems and all your platforms and start bringing everything together in one visual context.